I appreciate for watching this video, and if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on so you don't miss any update. Let's take a look at the Rip Van Winkle of crypto, Bittorrent. The last time I looked at Bittorrent was on October the 3rd. Here is recap of the video that was uploaded on my VidMaxim channel. When Bittorrent was trending down, it was riding the lower band of this Bollinger Band, and obviously that was not a good sign. But now, as the price beginning to reverse, it is moving away from the lower band and trending up. That is a good sign. The 10-day moving average dropped below the 50 days. It was trending in this downward direction. It is starting to reverse and about to trend in the upward direction. That is also another positive sign. The stochastic oscillator show a crossover where the blue line crossed over the red line, and now it continued to lead the red line. So all of this positive indicator points to a very high probability that Bittorrent's already bottomed out, and now it is in the process of reversing the direction. If Bitcoin stabilizes and trend higher, Bittorrent will continue to trend up. The first major resistance is right at 0.35. Crossover that would take it to about 0.39, where it will also test the resistance of this 50 days moving average. The next resistance level 0.425, and then 0.5, and eventually retest this prior high where it started the formations of this falling wedge at 0.536. So it seems like Bittorrent is about to turn around, and I continue to be bullish on Bittorrent. For me right now is the best time to accumulate, and I will continue to accumulate until the price reach a max of 0.37. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Bittorrent, and the data I have is to 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on October the 6th. Last time when we look at Bittorrent was on October the 3rd at this point. After that, the following day, the price retraced, but the minute it almost retests this red line, which is the 10 days moving average, bounced right back up. And since then, it's been trending up. And for the past 5 days, it has been able to trend up and trade above this very critical 10 days moving average. Volume picked up drastically, and Bittorrent was able to cross over these key resistance level at 0.0035. Let's just call this 0.35. And then after that, 0.37. Now the next key resistance is at 0.39. At that price level, it will also be testing the resistance of this 50 days moving average. If Bittorrent can cross over that and stabilize over that, it will definitely run up to our target price of 0.53 as part of the breakout of this falling wedge, and the target would take it to 0.53. The stochastic oscillator is showing momentum is picking up, and when Bittorrent broke out of the resistance of this falling wedge, it was trending up following this upward channel. The 10 days moving average is also reversing direction, and it is trending up. So all these positive indicators are pointing to Bittorrent found bottom at 0.0029, and it is beginning the process of reversing price, trending up following this upward channel, and it will continue to zigzag and reach our target price of 0.53. We'll revisit Bittorrent when it reached 0.39. where it would also be testing this critical 50 days moving average. And I will continue to accumulate Bittorrent whenever the price drops below 0.37. And that's it for this video.